Describe your mistakes and the things you learned in terms of the following. Number 1, cleaning. One of the mistakes that I made in cleaning was I did not finish one of my tasks in 3 to 5 minutes. That was given to me and I forgot the trash can where to put my garbage. This kind of mistake is a waste of time because every second is important, especially when there was a lot of work to do. The thing I learned from my mistakes was that before you go to your area, check the tools to see if they are all there. So, you don't need to go back again just to get back what you forgot. It was also better to get an extra towel when you clean the tables and chairs. The second, setting up. One of the mistakes that I made while setting up was covering the table because the fabric did not cover the foot of the table. And the dream catcher we made was not straight. But in the end, it looks beautiful and eye-catching. This event taught me to be resourceful because everything we threw away could be reused in other events again. Also, be creative, and it's better to experiment with new design or new idea that are unfamiliar to the public so that they can appreciate the design you made. Number 3, service. The mistakes I made in service were that I served on the left side and I served the water by not following the number of the table. From this kind of mistake, I learned that while you are in the backstage, ask your classmates when it is on the left or the right side to serve, and also follow the number of the table when you serve, so you will know what table to serve next. The other mistakes I made was putting the food in the wrong place. At work, it's very important to know where to put the food, especially when it's fine dining, because one mistake can cause big trouble, especially when the customers you serve knows where to put the food. The last one, attitude and discipline during work. The mistakes I made in my attitude and discipline during work were that I didn't know what to do, and after serving, we went to the back to lay down and rest for at least 1 minute. The other mistake was looking so tired while the visitors or the guests were there and chatting with my classmates while doing our work. From this kind of mistakes, I learned a lot, especially that attitude and discipline were very important in our personality, especially when applying this in our workplace. I learned to work faster, but don't show them that you are physically tired, especially our feet. We can no longer walk nicely because it is now already painful. We need to work professionally because this kind of work is training for us, and we are the students who will be the future managers someday in our workplace.